Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many coders encounter when working with network graphs. The issue at hand is about visualizing a weighted and undirected network graph where lower values indicate stronger connections. The catch is that we want to display thicker edges for smaller values. This might sound tricky, but fear not, we have a clever solution up our sleeves. Let's walk through it step by step. So, the solution to our problem involves a nifty trick. We can flip the values using a straightforward helper function called flip. This function takes the maximum value, subtracts the original value, and then adds 1 to get the flip result. It's like seeing the graph from a whole new perspective. By using this flip function, we can reverse the weights and showcase stronger connections as thicker edges. How cool is that? Building on the previous step, once we have our flipped weights ready, we can now apply them to our graph visualization. By tweaking the edge width mapping with flip weight, we ensure that smaller values translate to thicker edges. This way, the relationships with lower weights will stand out prominently in our network graph. It's all about finding creative ways to convey information visually, and this method hits the nail on the head. In a nutshell, we've cracked the code on visualizing a weighted network graph with reverse values for edge thickness. By flipping the weights and adjusting our edge width mapping, we've achieved a graph that highlights stronger connections with thicker edges. Remember, when faced with a coding puzzle, there's always a clever solution waiting to be uncovered. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, happy coding. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Stay awesome!